and that future of our world which we discuss.
Some people worry about Big Brother, that computers will spy on us and they will control us. That was a possibility before 1989. You see, before 1989, the internet was called ARPANET, and it was created by the Pentagon, by the military, to fight and win a nuclear war. That's why the internet is so strange. People say, why does the internet have no instructions? Why doesn't it have a government? Why doesn't the internet have a censor? You can say anything you want, do anything. Why? And the reason is that's the way we scientists wanted it. We wanted the internet to be a road to rebuild America after World War III. After nuclear war, many cities would be vaporized. And we scientists were told by the government, rebuild America after World War III. But then in 1989, something magical happened. In 1989, the National Science Foundation of the United States took this military weapon and gave it away for free. This is the first time in history that a major military weapon was given away for free. Blueprints, codes, coding, all of it just given away for free. Now, the internet is unstoppable. No nation can control the internet because it was given away for free. The problem is not Big Brother. The problem is Little Brother. Pesky Nigerian scam artists who want to steal your credit cards. Criminals, yes, they are a problem. Viruses. But remember that even nature, Mother Nature cannot control viruses after 3.5 billion years. Life has been on the earth for 3.5 billion years, and we still have viruses. So even nature has a hard time controlling viruses. But I think that's a small price to pay. A small price to pay, these little viruses, for the enormous power that the internet gives us to have infinite information for free. As Deng Xiaoping of China liked to say, when you open the window, some flies come in. Yes, some flies do come in, but the air comes in, refreshing, ennobling. Air comes in, oxygen that makes us breathe again. And I think that's the beauty of the internet. The internet is air that we breathe, information, life, ideas, innovation. But there's a price to pay, and that is a few flies come in with it, meaning that we will have petty criminals, we will have viruses, but no government can control the internet. Governments try, but they will fail.
A question from the central microphone.
Well,